Meaning of extrusion.
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 Extrusion. Extrusion refers to a manufacturing process where a material is pushed or pulled through a die to create a continuous shape with a specific cross-section. This technique is commonly used in the production of plastics, metals, ceramics, and food products. The result of extrusion is a product with consistent dimensions and a uniform cross-section, often with a long and continuous length. This process is popular due to its efficiency, as large volumes of products can be produced quickly and cost-effectively. Extruded products can be found in a variety of industries, such as construction, automotive, and packaging.